In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google business profile that is not publicly visible in 2026. If your business profile is only visible to you or your managers and not appearing publicly on Google, the first thing to understand is that this usually happens because the profile is not fully verified, has missing information, or has a status issue that needs attention. The good news is that this is often a straightforward fix once you know where to check. Start by going to Google Search and opening your Google Business Profile Manager. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account that manages the business profile. This is important because if you are in the wrong account, you may not see the proper settings or alerts connected to your listing. Once you're inside the dashboard, look carefully for any notifications or warnings. In particular, check whether the profile shows a message like suspended or verification required. These alerts are important because they directly affect whether your business can appear publicly on Google. If the profile still needs verification, you'll need to complete that process first before the listing can become visible to the public. Next, review your business information and make sure everything is complete and accurate. Pay close attention to your business hours, your primary business category, and your address. If you don't serve customers at a physical location, then make sure your service areas are set correctly instead. Google wants the profile information to be clear, consistent, and trustworthy, so even small inaccuracies can sometimes delay visibility. As you review these details, take your time and double check that the information matches your real business operations. For example, your category should accurately describe what your business does, and your hours should reflect when customers can actually reach or visit you. Keeping this information current also helps Google feel more confident about showing your listing publicly. If everything looks correct and there are no missing fields, the key thing is to ensure the profile is fully verified and free of any suspension-related issues. In many cases, once verification is completed and the details are confirmed, the profile can begin appearing publicly again. So to recap, sign in to the correct Business Profile Manager account, check for any suspended or verification required alerts, and confirm that your hours, category, address, or service areas are all accurate. These are the essential checks that help restore public visibility for your Google Business Profile. And that's how to fix a Google Business Profile that is not publicly visible in 2026.